Okay, we'll try this.
All right, Sherman's trying.
Oh, I just looked right at that.
Yeah, I've been looking over the camera. That's stupid.
This is not.
It's not feasible.
Is there like Bondo and shit all up in that?
No, it's just being weird.
Do you want to trade?
Huh?
Do you want to trade?
What, you want to try it?
You want me to do it? You want me to try it?
Well, there
You
is
try it, because I'm telling you, I'm getting nothing but booger welds.
Yeah, it's hard to weld.
All the primer would interfere with
Cricket
that.
shit?
unless it's
Oh, yeah.
voltage primer, but that's not.
Yeah, well, actually, it's like
Generally,
red shit.
you need a.
It's definitely
Look
burning.
at that. It's
Yeah,
just sitting right on top.
yeah, because it's covered in primer, Chuck.
Well, no, it happened up here, too. I mean, I can clean it up.
Oh fuck.
That sounds good.
That's better.
But it's still high. Not bad, though.
It's gonna be a little high. There.
That was a good one. There we
You need
go.
to keep the tip like within a quarter or less of the material.
Quarter inch?
Yeah, you got to keep it pretty
Otherwise,
close.
You're gonna lose your shield.
Yeah,
Quarter inch?
yeah, you got to keep it. You've never welded with gas, huh? See?
There. Oh, that's much better. Wow. Look at that.
I actually did go to school for MIG.
Really?
Yeah. Like I failed the test, but at least I did it.
Now, when you're welding with the MIG, are you supposed to pull or push the MIG?
It depends which way. Like I like to go like this. Like go back into it and pull it forward. But I've done both. It
So
doesn't.
here's what we need to do now. Well, I'm farting around in here, because I'll do a couple more down in here. Somebody's got to grab that and clean up the areas in between the, well, wherever you can, in between clamps. Actually, that's not too bad over there, is it?
We
This
cleaned the part of the factory panel.
Yeah, well, we didn't clean
We got to
this.
clean this. So whoever wants to take the chingaderas, yeah,
They sewed it coming here. But
you just got to like kiss it, and then we'll pull clamps out as we go. Like we'll weld a little and pull them out. We'll plug it into the
Oh, there you go.
magic strip. The magic stripper.
It's heavy.
this is. You can go first. Going to get your glasses.
I love that thing.
What thing?
Yeah, I was just looking at that. Yesterday, like,
thing?
oh, I've never seen a wheel like that.
Yeah, that's
Say,
the,
do you want plastic glasses?
the CRT or whatever they are.
I don't even know what they are.
I used one about a year ago.
There's glasses here.
What's his name? Woo, woo.
There we go.
What we have to do
Grab me
now.
bring me those two hammers. Yeah, those two.
Hammer time.
I want to do a little bit of work.
I forgot my parachute pants.
Oh, damn it.
Next.
Sherman with the bang bang. It's fine.
For a second, I thought these were CDs
No.
or DVDs or something.
Yeah, everybody said that today. Why are you holding CDs?
I thought it was America Online.
Oh, God.
You've got mail. Well, thank you.
Oh, that was zoomed in way too far.
Yeah, that's better.
I gotta
Okay,
trim
we've
my
got some
nose.
tacks
There.
holding in place there.
Nice.
The problem that we have right now, you can turn that off.
Turn off the welder, somebody. Quiet.
Here we go. So the problem that we're having is this.
Oh yeah, we were battling this earlier.
Okay, now this line looks pretty good right now. However, if you look here, where's my straight edge?
It's right up there. It's under your fire hand.
Whose hand? Oh, Andre's.
So if I lay on this, hold this down right in the center, that's not bad. You can see that we're off. If I use this line, we've got to go out about 1/8 of an inch. Over here, it's in about 1/8 of an inch. So this has got to go back at least 1 blade width. So we have to take some of these off and tighten this up, and then we can tack it. Make sense?
You're gonna have to cut it again with the.
That's what we were doing here before you came in.
Yeah, we were trimming.
Okay.
Yep. We're doing that. And the other thing we want to do with this is
Bang bang.
Shot me down. Bang, bang.
The musical stylings of Andre. The musical stylings of Andre.
okay. Some gay guy is going to have to explain to me the meaning behind Sam Smith's Unholy.
You need a younger gay guy than this anymore.
Don't look at me. I have no idea.
You want to talk about Houses of the Holy?
No, the song Unholy.
I know, that was a joke.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm an old guy.
If you like pina colada,
It's also a Mexican hooker's favorite
It
drink.
looks like if we
Penis
whack it
Pina colada.
a couple times, it might
Penis
go
colada.
in.
Penis colada. That was my dad's
so
joke.
it's cheesy. Huh?
Ew.
Pardon?
Use the reference.
See, this song, like, it's like, oh, you're cheating on me and I'm cheating on you. How great! Wow. I had no idea you were a whore as well.
We're all banging. Wow, these videos are gonna be off the wall.
Is that a dead blow hammer?
Pardon?
Is that a dead blow or just a?
Yeah, it's a dead.
I've had a few of those. Anything, Andre? Come on.
Usually it's teeth. I'm like,
Oh yeah, that's a.
it's not a nylon bone. Stop chewing on it.
Oh my god.